this is the baby's snack. He's gonna love this because he loves these fruit. So I just restocked the fridge, and I'm gonna show you everything that I got. I've already put everything away, so I'm just gonna do an overview of the fridge. Right here at the top, I have the baby's favorite smoothies, and it's applesauce and his other yogurt that he likes in mango. They only sell them in Target, the mango flavor. I haven't found them anywhere else. And then I have regular yogurt in the bag. That's really yummy, and it's sugar-free. And then I have organic grapes. I have only organic grapes. I found after I switched from regular, non-organic fruit to organic fruit, his eczema cleared up. So he has to have organic food. So here's some blackberries. I have 2 things of blueberries, raspberries, and 2 things of strawberries because we love strawberries. And then here's his milk that he drinks. This is the only one that works for him, and it's so yummy. So I got some cheese. He likes cheese, and turkey bacon for our breakfast. And then a bunch of veggies in this drawer. And then I put cilantro on the bottom. And then more fruit. So we have oranges. He loves oranges. Mangoes are his favorite. Well, I'm not going to say anything specific is his favorite because he loves it all. So here are these nice big plums and these huge peaches. I just had to have them. I'm actually going to take this out so it can ripen. But yeah, so here is my fridge restock, and I got me, and it's already in the freezer. This is clothes that I just washed, so I have to put it away. And these right here too. I usually hang the outfits, or like the soft stuff like this I always fold. Some t-shirts I hang, but it depends. But I love when the drawers are nice and full and organized, like when all the things look as full as this over here. I'm trying to find like a hoodie that matches like that yellow, or that, like, I'm not even showing it, the yellow, or like that light blue even. It's hard to find, but this is stuff, and it's so cute. I love it. I wanted to show what I got when I went shopping at TJ Maxx, which wasn't much. I just got this cute teddy bear blanket for my son. It's 100% cotton. All the plushy cozy blankets are polyester, and polyester is plastic. So I'm trying to switch clothes over to cotton. Cotton, linen, wool, all the natural fabrics. I'm trying to get away from like the plastics because it's not good for your health. So where we can switch, I'm trying to switch. So the blankets, I'm trying to switch over. So I only got one for now. And then when I buy his clothes, I buy all cotton. And as like, not everything's 100% cotton, but I try to get everything 100% cotton. If not, then I try to get it like 60% cotton or more. And yeah, it's been really good. So I get most of this stuff from Old Navy or Target. Some stuff I get from Walmart. And then Carter's, the actual Carter's store, because I think all their stuff is cotton. So I got these really cool pants. I really love the fabric. And it has pockets, and I thought it would look so cute with like a chunky sweater. But I did buy a shirt to go with this. It's in hot pink, so I thought it would look cute with this. There's no pink in it, but online it kind of looked like it had pink in it, but I thought it would look cute together. These wide leg leopard print pants for the fall. Also would look cute with a nice like brown chunky knit sweater. Really love this knitted tank top. Walmart had something similar to this, but I didn't see it until after I had already bought this one. It was so cute. And then I got a pair of regular jeans. These are so cute on. These are the OG Street Groovy high-rise jeans. This knitted sweater. So cute and cozy for the fall. Like in a chocolate color. Oh, it looks so nice. Linen pants. No, these aren't linen. These are the playa wide leg pants. Here's another pair of the playa pants. Oh, these are so cute. I love all the different prints. Nice long skirt. They look really pretty with that cardigan. Got another pair of the playa leg pants. And another pair. This one was for my mom. The last two. This is a pretty linen skirt. And then I got a couple tank tops to go with the like the playa pants. See, this is the hot pink, and I thought that could go really cute together, the pop of color. And then I got black, and I got these linen blazers, which I've been seeing everybody wearing, and oh my god, it's gonna look so cute. Like to do the whole linen set, or even to do it with the jeans, like I've been seeing girls do. A black linen one too. So cute. I have to hang them. I got this cute set from Target. Like super cute. Obsessed. And I think that's it. Thanks so much for watching this part of the video.